Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm a novice woodworker that's just learning to do all sorts of woodworking projects. And this here is a project I'm working on. This is going to be my first guitar build. And I've already done the glue ups. This is pieces of maple glued together. Today I'm going to cut the glue up out. And this here is a guitar I've designed. Kind of looks a little bit Rickenbacker-ish. That's okay though, that's a pretty sweet ass guitar. And I'm just going to cut it with my bandsaw. It's the first step, and this, like I say, this will be my first guitar build, and I'm pretty excited about this one. So I hope you stick around for this. So this here's my bandsaw. It's a Delta 22 or 28506. I can't remember the exact model. It's got a riser block on it, and I added the dust port, which doesn't seem to do very much, and I've kind of had really nothing but problems with this thing, like getting it to cut straight. I don't know if the tension arm up here is a little bit warped or what, but might have fixed it, I hope. We'll see. Not totally sure yet, so find out. Hopefully it cuts straight. Just adjust this puppy. It's a nice bandsaw, I just wish it ran the way it should. So there we go. That's what I got for now. Next, maybe I'll clean it up a little bit more, and then I'm going to run it through my spindle sander. going to use a 1/4-inch router bit. I haven't even used this one yet. I'm going to give this one a try. And drop it in. There's a little lock on the side here. I should be taking the plunge off, but being lazy. You can see the bearings on the template. All right, wish me luck. I didn't do the greatest job of building my template for this thing, so I think I built the guitar a bit smaller than the template. Like, don't ask me how. I just screwed up. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to just freehand the first little bit of this. Then I'm going to put the bearing back on it. Definitely going to require some cleanup, some sanding, some shaping a little bit, but for the most part, for a first project, I'm not too pretty happy with that. Pretty exciting. good now.